Good morning. I slept in so long today. Time to get my hair outlet. Alright, the hair is at least a little more sorted out. And caffeine. Ooh, actually. So pretty. Morning. It's literally like the afternoon. I slept in so late today and just haven't been getting my day started, you know. I went to see Avatar last night and this is like my first day off work in like a very long time where I haven't had like school or anything else. But I think this is the day I need to get my whole life together and just organizing, cleaning, and doing everything that I've literally been putting off because I've been so busy. We're gonna do some decluttering of the makeup and skincare collection today because there's a lot that I just need to get rid of. I need to wrap some presents. We're gonna do the whole thing, and I got dressed. I was gonna, you know, stay in my PJs, but I thought, let's get dressed, let's actually be productive and not just have a super lazy day because I have a hard time doing that, but at least let's get something done. So I'm even scared to show you guys this.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets.
Yo, do we see this? I'm literally like getting kicked out of my own house. I need to fix this. First off, like, what the heck? Everything is such a mess, and it's getting to the point where like it can't even work in this environment. There's just way too much product. There's so much in here that I just need to get rid of. So that's what we're gonna do today. I think first plan of attack is my desk, because I just sit and film here, but things just accumulate way too much. So let's organize this. Everything out of the store for now. I think that's just what needs to happen. I'm bringing out a garbage bag because we're gonna just get rid of everything I'm not using at the moment. Everything that's old, everything that's expired. I think I'm gonna go shelf by shelf, take everything out on the floor, and then we're gonna I need to limit myself with products a lot more. So as much as I love some of these, I'm gonna try to limit myself to just like a few toners because this is crazy. Like these are just toners. A lot of these are old, a lot of these I've never even used. So I need to figure this out. Like a lot of these I love, like this one and this one. And yes, I label a lot of my skincare so that I know when it needs to be expired. This one's kind of rubbed off, but we can see April 22. Love this, but it's expired. Time to get rid of it. Anything here that I've had for over a year, gone. This is the throwaway pile. This is the keep pile. I don't know if I'm doing good or not. Maybe I should give some of these away that are still good, I just don't use. All right, serums. This is insane. Like, how does one have so many serums? I'm just gonna go in here and grab. Just getting rid of everything that's old or that I don't use. have like a million sunscreens. Let's go through them. Okay, next, I have so many cleansers in here. I need to go through these. So much better. Oh my god. We're not even done. That is an insane amount of product. I want to take a little break and do some skincare because I haven't today yet. I have some pimple patches that were on overnight, so I'm gonna have to take these off. Do some quick skincare, just cleanse the skin. And I'm going in with a little serum, nothing too crazy. Then I'm just gonna apply some sunscreen, keeping it super simple today. I'm gonna use the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, the same broad spectrum sunscreen. What I like about it is it's perfectly clear, so you don't have to worry about a white cast, and it kind of acts a little bit like a makeup primer. It just kind of like fills in and smooths out the skin a little bit. Kind of like that silicone based primer feel, which I like because it makes the skin super smooth. And it is 100% a chemical sunscreen. Apply that all over. I've really been enjoying this, and I felt like I was like the last person on the planet to try this sunscreen. I got it from Dermstore, and you guys can actually save some money from Dermstore if you purchase the sunscreen through the link in my description. I've really been enjoying it, and it is, as I said, full chemical sunscreen. We have avobenzone, homosalate, octosalate, and octocrylene in here, and it just has a really nice feel to it. I really like this, especially under makeup. It feels so lightweight, and if you're looking for that really like unseen sunscreen, this might be a great one to try out. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this one, the link will be down below in my description. Here's the update, guys. I'm just pulling a bunch of PR products that I haven't used. I'm gonna keep filling this up, and we're about to do a giveaway. I'm opening a bunch of packages right now. Look at these. Got like a hair clip from stickers. This is like the one thing I hate about PR. Like all these boxes are like so extravagant just for like the one product, and then you just have to throw it out. Like, how am I supposed to throw out boxes like these that are so cool? Here's a pimple. Like, this is so cute. Like, look at this shirt. It's so cute. Free the pimple. Oh my gosh, I need a water break. I am so tired. It's as if I just like went to the gym. Like, I don't know, but decluttering, it's like really good, and it, you know, makes you feel so good once it's done, but like so dehydrated right now. Oof, need a little break. Everything is looking so much better though. Like, we can actually walk. So I'm keeping this drawer pretty clean for right now because I know I'm gonna put makeup in it that I use every day. I need to actually like clean the desk though. There is so much more room here, and those boxes I'm still gonna go through, so like this is looking so much better. I have like all these stickers from all these brands and like little notes and stuff. I think I want to keep all these and make like a vision board, but include like everyone I've worked with this year. Wouldn't that be cool? All right, we're getting through this. I'm watching some Good Luck Charlie. I have this cabinet here that has like a lot of PR and unopened skincare, so let's clean this out and put a lot of this in the giveaway pile. Yeah, that's some progress. Look at all these boxes. This is why like PR gets so overwhelming, because there's just so much. Time to wrap some presents because I haven't really gotten around to it, and Christmas is in 2 days. Not when you guys are watching this, but when I'm filming this vlog. Alright, this is looking much better. This is what the cabinet is looking like. So much more space, and a lot more space there for like new products and such. And then We got a lot less boxes kind of around, still a few that I need to kind of go through. And then over here we have so much product, literally 2 full bags, and I'm still gonna add more to these, probably another 3rd bag for giveaways. So make sure you tune in on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, at Lavinia, because you're definitely not gonna wanna miss out on those giveaways. I'm gonna be giving away all those products back to you guys, so definitely go check that out. And then this is a bag of skincare that like I used a bit, but I'm like no longer using, and it's not yet expired, like it's still basically brand new, so I'm gonna let my friends take a stab at this and dig through it. I think that's all the cleaning I can do today. I just went ahead, filmed the TikTok off camera to get some content today, and like I said, makeup just goes on so nicely over that sunscreen. I love it. Just makes the skin look really glowy and smooth. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call this vlog here. So tired. Cleaning just takes it out of you, hey? Like organizing and deciding what to keep and everything. Oh my gosh, I cannot. But I think I'm just gonna end it here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, especially because I'll have all the giveaways on Instagram. So if you guys want to win any of that skincare, and I'm giving away a lot, make sure to go follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for those giveaways. Also follow me on TikTok at Lavinia as well, same on Instagram, and hope you guys are having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!